Step aboard Big Bird, the ultimate choice for a luxurious and exhilarating sailing experience. Her three-hull design provides unmatched stability, ensuring a smooth journey in any waters, while her expansive salon offers the perfect space for entertaining or relaxing in style. As the fastest yacht in her class, Big Bird is a sailing icon. Winner of the 2021 ARC Plus Crossing, she crossed the Atlantic in under 11 days, reaching speeds of 23.5 knots. Her carbon fiber mast and custom racing sails deliver unmatched performance, while advanced solar and lithium systems provide off-grid independence. Inside, sleek interiors feature panoramic views, a main-level stateroom, Webasto Blue Cool air conditioning, and a 55-inch Samsung Frame TV. Whether exploring Florida's coasts or the Caribbean's hidden gems, Big Bird offers unparalleled comfort and adventure. Available for daily, weekly, or monthly charters, Big Bird isn't just a yacht, it's your gateway to extraordinary sailing.